This watch includes the following parishes in Louisiana: Lindenville, Hollister, Caddo, Claiborne, DeSoto, Red River, Sabine, and Webster. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 34, effective until 5 a.m. Central Standard Time Thursday. This watch includes the following parishes in Louisiana: Lindenville, Hollister, Caddo, Claiborne, DeSoto, Red River, Sabine, and Webster. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating.
Wow, that came out of nowhere. Nope, no.
This one includes the following parishes in Louisiana: Lindenville, Hollister, Caddo, Claiborne, DeSoto, Red River, Sabine, and Webster. Remember.
All right, direct audio from Arklatex Weather TV here in just a few moments.
Large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watched area.
Back to Shreveport.
Changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Aha!
Tornado Watch number 34 has been issued until 5 a.m.
All right, direct audio. Arklatex Weather TV.
The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 34, effective until 5 a.m. Central Standard Time Thursday. This watch includes the following parishes in Louisiana: Bienville, Hollister, Caddo, Claiborne, DeSoto, Red River, Sabine, and Webster. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, Tornado Watch number 34 has been issued until 5 a.m. Central Standard Time Thursday for the following parishes in Louisiana: Bienville, Hollister, Caddo, Claiborne, DeSoto, Red River, Sabine, and Webster. The National
Hello, Texarkana.
has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 35, effective until 3 a.m. Central Standard Time Thursday. This watch includes the following counties: McCurtain, Oklahoma. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds.
It's worth a shot. It's McCurtain County, guys. I hear something. Go here.
A few moments later.
Guys, there it is. Nice.
Becoming south.
SVA, my bad, for McCurtain County. Nice.
western Texas, southeastern Red River County in northeastern Texas until 4 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 3:15 a.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Wilkerson, or 9 miles north of Mount Pleasant, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include New Boston, DeKalb, Dalby Springs, up 259 and I-30 intersection, Wilkerson, Almont, and Lydia. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 a.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties in Texas: Bowie, Morris, Red River, and Titus. Central Standard Time. A severe thunderstorm was located near New Boston, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Ashdown, New Boston, Hooks, Red Lick, Ogden, Richmond, Larry, Red Bank, and Pine Prairie. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 a.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties: Bowie, Texas, and Little River, Arkansas.